Motorcyclists are much more likely than passenger car occupants to die or become injured in a car crash. Motorcycle deaths accounted for 13% of all motor vehicle crash deaths. Motorcycle crashes cost $16 billion per year in direct costs such as emergency services, medical costs, including rehabilitation, property damage, loss of market productivity, including lost wages, loss in household productivity, and insurance costs, including claims and the cost of defense attorneys. In 2016, 5,286 fatalities resulted from motorcycle accidents alone. Less than half of all states have laws that require all motorcyclists to wear helmets, according to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Some states require that only people under a specific age wear helmets. The Michigan law, enacted in 2012, now lets motorcycle operators to decide if they want to wear a helmet or not, only if certain requirements are met. They must be at least 21 years old, have at least $20,000 in first-party medical benefits, and they have held a motorcycle endorsement for at least 2 years or have passed an approved motorcycle safety course.
Helmets are about 37% effective in preventing motorcycle deaths and about 67% effective in preventing brain injury. In 2015, 138 people died in Michigan alone, higher than any other year since 1985. Training courses such as the Motorcycle Safety Foundation, sponsored by motorcycle manufacturers and distributors, works with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, states and governments, and other organizations to improve motorcycle safety. In 2016, only 65% of motorcyclists wore a helmet. From 2000 to 2011, an average of 112 motorcyclists were killed each year. From 2012, when the helmet repeal took effect, through 2015, that number averaged nearly 126 persons, a total of 56 additional deaths.